Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate WooCommerce with TaxJar API. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WooCommerce account. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Plugins. Select Add New from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type TaxJar. Find the TaxJar plugin in the results. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin. After activation, look for WooCommerce in the left sidebar again. Hover over it and then click on Settings. Select the Tax tab at the top of the Settings page. Scroll down until you find the TaxJar section. Here, you'll see a field labeled API Key. Log into your TaxJar account in a new tab. Navigate to the API section in your TaxJar dashboard. Copy your API key from this section. Return to your WooCommerce settings. Paste the API key into the designated field. Ensure that you enable any additional settings you require. Review any other configurations you may need for your store. Once you're satisfied with the settings, scroll to the bottom. Click the Save Changes button to save your configuration. Your WooCommerce store is now authenticated with the TaxJar API. Check that the integration works properly by testing its features. If needed, consult the TaxJar documentation for advanced options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.